Page 64, drill. There's a drill at the top of the page because now we're in the key of E major. E major has 4 sharps. You can see them there, all 4 of them, and they're all their glory. Remember, they're always in the same order. The first sharp is always an F sharp. The second one is always a C sharp. The third is always a G sharp. And now the fourth is a D sharp. And it's always, the fourth is always a D sharp. That's the key signature I'm talking about. In the music, they can be in any order. It depends on the music. But in the key signature, that's what it is. That way, when you look at those, once you learn them, you don't have to worry about what the sharps are. You just automatically know it. I prefer you just learn the scale. If you learn the notes in the E major scale, you'll know which black notes to use. And that's how I think of it when I play it. So let's talk about this. They're doing the E major scale and then the chord. This is the same drill we've had in all these other key signatures, so the rhythm's the same and all that. So you're up here in this position, got 4 black keys because there's 4 sharps, and you're just going to play this. Remember our pattern for a major scale, and whole steps and half steps. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So if I start on an E, any E, I'm going to come down here. And I do that pattern, I get my E major scale. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's it. That's a major scale. Minor scale is a different pattern. I haven't talked about that, but that's major scale. And then the chord here, and then the right hand is up here. And then the left hand, you see the 8 VA above there, it's the next to last measure. For the left hand, there's an 8 VA above the E, it's up here. You go up an octave. We've had 8 VA before, haven't we? I think we have. So you go, and that's the drill. Let's play this drill slowly together. It is repeated, so we'll repeat it. I'll give us 4 counts just to make sure we got the right notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. It's the same rhythm as all the other drills. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And repeat. Three, 4, off.